Hi everyone, I'm Yixuan. My teammates are Mani, Xiaopeng, and Weiling. In this video, we are going to share about the business operation of Dell Company. Dell is an American technology firm. Dell was founded by Michael Dell in 1984 with the purpose of we create technologies that drive human progress. The meaning is providing the best computer to consumers to deliver the best customer experience and transform people's lives with extraordinary capabilities. The main business of Dell is design, develop, and manufacture personal computer servers as well as a wide range of computer-related products. It also includes selling home computers, office computers, electronic equipment, and so on. The reason we're selecting Dell is because all of our team members are loyal customers of Dell, and we are convinced with Dell that the power of technology can help to solve the complex social problems. The second is Dell always prioritizes the security of their customers' personal information and system, so we would like to come up with some suggestions for better improvement on their payment process. As mentioned earlier, the core process that we focus on is the payment process of Dell's business. Payment process is the process of how business complete credit card and debit card transactions. There will be a payment gateway that securely transmits data, so the money from customers' issuing bank can be transferred to a merchant's account. Payment process is fall under the category of supply chain management is because payment process connect the procurement and entire supply chain process of Dell. And it also involves receiving payment from customers and the transfer of goods from suppliers to customers. In addition, the direct model practiced by Dell where the company can sell their product directly to their customers is also one of the reasons that allow the company to achieve a competitive advantage. We believe that Dell can achieve a strong competitive advantage in the highly competitive computer industry by practicing superior supply chain management. Next, I would like to pass to Mani to continue the presentation.
Hi, I'm Mani and I'm responsible to talk about the process modeling. I had to prepare a swim lane payment process chart. From the chart besides, we are able to know that the main actors or roles that involve are customers, Dell, payment gateway provider, bank, and the IT department. The customer will access the Dell website and search for the product they are interested in to purchase. After browsing, the customer will decide to select a few products and add to the shopping cart. The process will be starting on after customers add their product to the shopping cart. Customer confirm a list of products to purchase and click on the checkout button to continue the purchasing. Total amount to be paid will be displayed. Customers is redirected to the payment gateway page to select payment options. For example, credit card payment or online transfer. After redirect to the payment gateway, customer role is to key in the right information such as credit card number, expiry date, and others. If the login information was incorrect, the payment process will be stopped. But the information was keyed in correctly, then the process will be continued. After the process above, the payment was considered complete, and customers is redirected to the Dell website for confirmation. The customer details like shipping address, name, and contact number will be stored into the Dell database. So, this chart is given a clear picture on how this process flow is. What I show you here is the details process which I explained just now for all process. So now I'm going to talk about the data of the process that reliant on. For the payment process, there are a few data that is reliant on, which is core entity and attributes. For core entities, these include the information of the transaction and customer for which the information will be stored. Well, for the attributes, these are the data elements associated with an entity. For example, the personal information of customer, such as credit card number. Thank you, that's all for my part.
Hi, I'm Shopping. We know that Dell uses external service technology in its payment process. Furthermore, Dell outsources service from a third party to ensure that the security and successful execution of the payment process. Enterprise Resources Planning (ERP) was introduced in 1990 by Gartner Group, a US-based computer technology consulting and evaluation group. Enterprise resource planning is a systematic management idea based on information technology. ERP system is provided by SAP, which is a third-party specializing in ERP system. Dell Digital SAP-based ERP system helps make it all possible by supporting over 60,000 users across numerous core applications and 13 business tools. This including the SAP Business Warehouse, the data warehouse that hosts Dell schedules customer orders, shipment, invoice, and other critical data. However, Dell obtains external service technology providers such as Visa and MasterCard to perform the payment process as a payment gateway. So let's move on to the next slide. Based on this architecture diagram, you can see that technologies that require in the payment process, the software, networks, and cloud computing are included in the process, such as Microsoft Windows, SAP ERP system, LAN, and so on. Firstly, customers use their computer or smartphones to access Dell online store platform to select items to purchase. After browsing and adding selected products to chart, they will proceed to checkout. So at checkout page, customer selects payments option and payments details. Then payment gateway will verify the payment details and approve the transaction. So at the same time, invoice will be generated by using web application. So next, Dell Online Store platform will send the information to shop account server, which is hosted by cloud computing and software like SAP. Finally, the customer information will be stored at the database like MySQL. So that's all of my part. Now I will pass to Wei Ling to continue the following topics.
Hi, my name is Wei Ling, and for the next slide, I'm going to explain about the improvement opportunity. So for the improvement opportunity in the payment process is the inclusion of tokenization. So for the tokenization is the process of exchanging sensitive data to non-sensitive data called tokens that can be used in a database or internal system without bringing it into scope. The implementation of tokenization in the payment process of Dell will help to improve the security of the process and provide greater protection to the customer's data. So the new technology used for tokenization is format preserving the encryption, which is called FPE. So for format preserving encryption, encrypts the plain text of some specific format such as social security or credit card number into a ciphertext while preserving the original formatting of the plain text. From the chart beside, we can see that the payment details tokenization is added after key in payment details for the improvement. This is the details for the process description, and the improvement is added in process 5.0. The payment details imputed by customer like credit card number, expiry date, and security code are encrypted before sending to the bank for verification. Now I'm going to talk about the process change, what direct benefits it provides, and the potential ethical or security concerns. The implementation of the tokenization technology will provide Dell with the direct benefit of safeguard customers' personal and bank information. Another direct benefit of the implementation of tokenization technology is foster trust with customers, while for the indirect benefit of protecting reputation of Dell and increase the chance for customers to place order because of the higher security. The implementation of the tokenization technology in the payment process of Dell will not raise any ethical and security concerns. This is because the purpose of implementation of the technology is better safeguard of the personal and bank information of customers and preventing breaching of the data by hackers. The privacy of the customer is well kept, which Dell will adhere to the Privacy Act regarding data management when implementing tokenization technology in the payment process. So this is our references, and that's all for our presentation. Thank you very much.